Welcome to our creative journey. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability and creativity, we invite you to embark on a transformative journey with us. Our mission revolves around reimagining discarded wood and metal, breathing new life into forgotten scraps, and turning them into stunning wall hangings. Each piece we create not only beautifies your living space, but also tells a compelling story, embodying the spirit of upcycling and renewal. Join us as we explore this captivating process of transformation and artistry. The journey begins with an exploration of discarded materials. Wood and metal, often overlooked, carry unique histories and characteristics. Each piece we gather tells a story, be it from aged wooden pallets, remnants of old furniture, or metal scraps once part of a larger machine. By embracing these materials as our canvas, we celebrate their imperfections and the charm found in their wear. This approach not only fosters creativity, but also honors the materials' past lives, allowing them to transform into beautiful art. Before we begin crafting, inspiration plays a crucial role in guiding our designs. Nature, architecture, and everyday life serve as our muse. The organic forms of trees, the lines of buildings, and even the structures of industrial equipment ignite our creativity. We often sketch our ideas and gather photographs that resonate with us, creating a visual library of concepts that influence our work. This phase is vital as it helps us envision how we can utilize our materials to create pieces that are not only visually stunning but also meaningful. Once we gather our materials and inspiration, the design phase unfolds. Here, we conceptualize how each discarded piece will fit together, forming a cohesive whole. This process involves careful consideration of balance, pattern, and texture. Some pieces may lend themselves to geometric shapes, while others can inspire more fluid, organic forms. Each design iteration reflects the intricacies of the materials and the essence of our artistic vision, ensuring that when complete, the artwork evokes emotion and resonance. Preparation is key to transforming our discarded items into art. This stage involves cleaning, sanding, and sometimes repairing the materials to ensure they are ready for assembly. The tactile experience of handling each piece allows us to appreciate the textures and colors inherent in wood and metal. Some materials may require a bit of creative problem-solving, such as figuring out how to join disparate parts or enhancing their natural beauty through treatment or refinishing methods. With our designs in hand and materials prepped, it's time for the assembly process. This is where the real magic happens. We carefully cut, shape, and join the various elements according to our vision. This stage is often collaborative, requiring us to think critically about how pieces interact and support one another. The act of bringing different materials together fosters a dialogue between them, creating a dynamic interplay of color, texture, and form. After the main structure is complete, we focus on adding the finishing touches that elevate the artwork. This might include a protective sealant to preserve the natural qualities of the materials or paint that ties elements together. Every detail is intentional. The addition of a contrasting color or a textured finish can dramatically alter the piece's impact. These touches not only enhance aesthetic appeal but also ensure durability, allowing the artwork to continue captivating onlookers for years to come. In creating our wall hangings, we emphasize the importance of sustainability. By repurposing discarded wood and metal, we contribute to reducing landfill waste and encourage others to see the potential in what is considered trash. This mission reflects a broader movement towards mindful consumption, where we recognize and value the resources we have. Each wall hanging serves as a reminder of the environmental impact of art and the potential for beautiful creations born from responsibility. Our artistic philosophy centers on the notion of storytelling through art. Every piece we create embodies a narrative, a blend of the material's history and our vision. This philosophy drives us to produce unique pieces that resonate with viewers. Art should evoke emotions, evoke thoughts, and inspire conversations. By integrating salvageable materials into our work, we create a dialogue not only about the artwork itself, but also about the culture of recycling and the beauty of imperfection. We believe in the power of community and the sharing of ideas. Our workshops and demonstrations aim to inspire others to explore the world of upcycled art. By providing hands-on experiences, we encourage participants to see beyond traditional materials and discover their creative potential. Engaging with the community fosters a shared appreciation for crafting and sustainability, creating connections and inspiring more artistic endeavors. Once our pieces are complete, showcasing them becomes essential. Whether through online platforms, local galleries, or community events, sharing our creations with the world allows us to celebrate the stories behind each piece. We enjoy telling the tale of each wall hanging, highlighting its origin and transformation. This storytelling aspect not only captivates audiences, but also invites them to consider their relationship with materials and waste in their own lives. Our wall hangings serve a dual purpose. They beautify spaces and challenge perceptions. Art has the power to inspire, provoke thought, and foster change. By choosing to create with discarded materials, we hope to spark a shift in how people view waste and inspire them to engage in their own creative endeavors. Each piece is a testament to the idea that art can emerge from the unlikeliest of sources, encouraging a new wave of creativity that values both beauty and sustainability. As we continue this creative journey, we remain committed to exploring new techniques and ideas. We aim to push the boundaries of what can be achieved with discarded materials, continuously seeking inspiration from the world around us. Our aspiration is to innovate and grow, all while maintaining our focus on sustainability. With each new project, we hope to inspire others to join us in this mission of celebrating creativity and renewal through the art we create. In conclusion, we invite you to join us in celebrating the rebirth of discarded wood and metal. Together, we can transform forgotten scraps into stunning wall hangings that resonate with beauty, storytelling, and commitment to sustainability. Thank you for being a part of this journey, and we look forward to sharing more of our creative adventures with you. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time and support on this creative journey of reimagining discarded wood and metal into stunning wall hangings. If you enjoyed this content and found it inspiring, please subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas and projects. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who would also appreciate the beauty of upcycled art. Your support helps us continue to create and inspire. Thank you, and see you next time.